2025. I want to say thank you to everyone who made it possible for me to stand here today. Without your support, I genuinely don't believe I would be here tonight. Also, I'm sorry if I'm talking very slow or monotone, it's the echo. Okay. After dreaming for this moment for so long, you'd think I have my teeth down in the TV, right? But I don't, and honestly, I'm a little complacent. What I do want to say is that although I may not be the smartest in the stadium, I worked damn hard to be here tonight. As for my thank you. As for my thank you, I would like to thank the entire math department. You guys were second home to me, and I found myself in classrooms so many lunches. Thank you. Miss Mallett, I want to thank you for believing in me all this time and pushing me to accomplish what I did. Okay. I didn't always believe I could, and you were always celebrating all of my accomplishments as if they were your own. Mr. Parks, the world needs more teachers like you, and I'm so grateful I got to have you for 2 years. Thank you. Mr. Perkins, thank you for teaching me how to look in the mirror, realize I wasn't where I needed to be, and get better. You gave me my own fee, like ever, in elementary, middle, and high school, and while yes, I spiraled, my determination brought me here today, and I'm standing here because I grew from it. Now I can say that I look in the mirror, and I'm proud. Dario, thank you for coming here tonight. I want to say I'm thankful for having you as an instructor. Thank you for building a memory with me and teaching me how to play. And Mr. Wallace, thank you for making history fun. You're on this side, right? I wish you the best time in Europe, and a little advice from me to you, next time don't wait on Europe. Okay. I also want to say thank you to myself, because no one knows what it took me to be here but myself. Working late hours, coming home, and doing homework, chores, and still showing up the following morning for physical therapy or rehearsals was hard, but I did it. Starting my junior year, I was hoping it would be a stepping stone for a stacked senior year, and maybe, just maybe, a comeback valedictorian, and it was. But then I tore my ACL, and the journey only got harder. But I learned that no growth comes without change. I persevered, and if everything had gone exactly as planned, I might have not been standing here today. My advice to you is to let things fall into place, as they will eventually fall into better places than you could have ever imagined. My final and biggest thank you is to my mom. In Spanish, because I have to show my letters out. Okay. Tengo tanto que agradecerle que no sé por dónde empezar. El mejor ejemplo de una mujer fuerte, trabajadora e independiente. Gracias por darme todo lo que tenías para ofrecer y por hacerme la mujer que soy hoy. Espero que estés igual de orgullosa de ser mi madre como yo soy de ser tu hija. Este logro es tanto tuyo como mío. Gracias, mamá. And finally, thank you. Thank you. And finally, congratulations to us, the first class post-COVID to have a fully normal high school experience. And the largest graduating class in history. I believe it said 3.6 million, which is a lot, right? Class of 2025. Don't be a stranger to those sitting around you tonight. Don't let pride hold you from standing, and let's hang out next in your future endeavors. Thank you, good luck, and congratulations.